guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing one brand tutorial using only Maybelline products. So let's get started. So firstly I like to prime my face, and for the primer I'm using the Master Prime Primer. Firstly just warm it up between your fingers and apply it on the face. I'm mostly concentrating on the center of my face where I have most amount of pores and texture. And now for the foundation, I'm using Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Warm Nude. And I'm using YBB Beauty Blender to blend this out. All the product details are going to be listed below, so make sure you check that in case you missed it out here. This is a really good foundation because it's look quite natural. It gives a medium coverage and a very nice smooth finish to the skin. Next I'm going to use the concealer, and I'm going to be mixing two concealers. Firstly I'm using Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. This gives a medium coverage and a very natural skin-like finish. But I want to brighten up and highlight some parts of my face a little more. And for that I'm going to use Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. This is a very high coverage, very blendable and dries out very quick. This is one of my favorite concealers, and I'm mostly concentrating where I want to highlight more, like under my eyes, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and in the center of the forehead. And now to set this concealer, I'm using the Fit Me powder in Buff Beige 130. And what I like about this powder is that it's neither too matte and nor too dry. So it doesn't look cakey on the skin. It just mattifies the skin very well without giving that dry kind of finish. And I'm mostly using it around the center of my face where I tend to get a little shiny. Now for the blush, I'm using this Colorshow blush in Peachy Sweetie. This blush is pretty light, but it adds that light hue of rosiness to your cheeks, which I absolutely love. And to highlight, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome in 100, which is molten gold. And I'm going to apply this on my high points using a small fan brush. Now for the brows, I'm using this Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. This has a pencil on one side which I'm using to fill in and kind of line the edges. And it also has a powder on the other side which you can just use to fill in the gaps. And I'm using the same Age Rewind Concealer on the lids as the primer. Now coming to the eye makeup, I am using the Nudes palette, and I have marked the shades which I'm going to use. Firstly, I'm going to use the matte brown color with a large blending brush and applying it all over the crease to define it. And now taking a matte black color with a small blending brush, I'm going to use it to intensify the outer corner or the outer V of the eye, as well as on the outer part of the crease. And I'm going to add more color to this until I'm happy with the intensity. Now I'm again taking that previous brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges so everything looks really soft and well blended into my skin tone. Now I'm using this very pretty shimmer shade from the 24K Nudes palette, and I'm applying it in the inner corner of my lid using my finger. And I'm also highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone with the same highlighting shade. And I'm a kajal person, so I'm using Colossal Kajal to tightline my lower and upper waterline. And now again I'm using that black color from the Nudes palette with a flat shader brush to smoke out the entire lower lash line. Now coming to the liner, I'm using Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. This is great for people who love glossy liners, and it has a very fine brush, so you can really go in and create a very fine and intricate line with this. And I have done this so basic simple liner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. And the one I'm using is Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline. And for the lipstick, I'm using Color Jolt Matte lipstick in the shade Midnight Brick. And I find this formula very comfortable on the lips. It's neither too matte nor too shiny. And that is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.